Can I play a long animation on the PIMORONI Cosmic Unicorn 32 by 32 LED display board? If I read the data from a USB mass storage device, then I think I can. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, IoT, robotics and other fun tech. This is my 3-minute summary of playing animations from a USB drive to the Cosmic Unicorn. The Cosmic Unicorn is a display panel with 32 by 32 RGB LEDs driven by a Pico W. I've looked at this in a previous video. I've also looked at reading files from the USB drive on the Pico previously too. So if I put them both together, we have a Cosmic Unicorn that can load animations from a USB drive for display. There are a few challenges we need to get over though, not least of which is providing power to the Cosmic Unicorn and the USB drive. I built a little adapter board so I could plug in a USB drive and get power from a micro USB cable. In theory, the software for this should be just using the Tiny USB library and the PIMORONI Pico library. These two libraries fight though, so I've had to modify the PIMORONI Cosmic Unicorn code to remove the audio DMA setup, as that clashes with Tiny USB. The PNG animation will be handled by libspng. I used vertical stacking frames of the animation. All of the code for the example can be found on GitHub. Using this approach, I've been able to generate 32 by 32 animated sequences in Blender and then display them straight on the Cosmic Unicorn. So far, these are renders of 3D models, which is not 100% successful at 32 by 32 pixels. We'll see what I can do in the future though. Thank you very much for watching. Please like the video as it helps encourage me to make more videos. And please subscribe and hit that notification button to avoid missing the next video. Goodbye for now.